that's extra. Yeah, enough extras.
It's worth it. It's worth it to have you in here. So here's Dave, and it's November the 6th, and actually I thought he was building something. It looks like he's tearing everything apart.
Oh, now this is really a lot of extra. Got it on video? I thought this is still.
Oh, no. This is the real deal here. We want a nice shot of the changes as we're progressing here. It's Sunday, November the 8th, and progress is being made. Dismantling the old deck, digging the footings for the deck expansion, and right there is where the new hot tub is going to go. And tomorrow, all of that, where the grill is going to disappear as well. So, supposed to have the hot tub here by this coming Wednesday, and we're hoping we'll be able to use the whole thing in less than 2 weeks. Here's Dave digging.
Back out with the thing, huh?
What are you doing, Dave?
I'd be digging a hole around.
You looking for oil, or what? What are you doing over there?
Trying to dig a hole without hitting the gas pipe.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Dave's back, and he's, wait a minute, he's putting bags of cement. I thought you had to open those, but he tells me that you just leave them out there in the rain and they harden up, and it really works well. So I'm trusting him to what he's doing here.
Guaranteed until it fails. I'll put that in writing. Getting too old for these 80-pound bags too, but they don't sell 60s anymore. I don't know why. Got 40s, but not that weak yet.
Okay, so we're progressing. It's now, what is today? Wednesday. The hot tub is supposed to be delivered today. The lower deck is now coming down. The shrubs are removed from the side of the house. Oh! Jeez. There's our carpenter and resident comedian.